I am going to do baked fish with green sauce. I have taken a fish called mullet, but any white fish is okay to take. So we'll take this white fish and do the baked fish. We'll see how it comes. I want to show you how to bake the fish. Now this is the mullet I told you, and then this I took a small fish because I have already done a baked fish for you. So we will see how this has to be done. Clean, take all what we have to remove from here, and then slash, 3 slashes. Can you see? 3 slashes we have to have, a deep slash. Other side also in the same place. Same place it has to be 3 slashes. And once you get the 3 slashes, I have to put it onto, this is the foil which I have to keep it on the foil. Now what I am going to do is put turmeric in bowl, then I put salt, pepper, chili pieces also I will use a little. Leaving all that, we need a little mustard cream and a little lime juice. We'll use all that together and mix it well. Once you mix all this together, what am I going to do now? I am going to rub it on this fish. So, see, inside the cut portion, both sides I have to nicely rub all this. Now what I am going to do is, since I have mixed it nicely, cover this with the foil. I am going to bake this. I am going to bake this in the oven, but I changed the tray also because I didn't realize that the tray was a little too big. Now we will bake in this oven, right, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, and it has to be for 30 minutes. 30 minutes we will bake and take it. After that we will see how it's going to be like. The fish is baked and it's ready. Now we will see what we are going to do with that. Actually what I am going to do, now slowly remove the foil and we could see how the fish is going to be like. Already the fish is baked. I'll leave it on the plate now. The fish is ready. So now we will put a little butter into the pan. Little butter. Slightly heat it. And then I have milk. About 1.5 cups of milk I have. And another thing I have to show you. We said green chili sauce. Now see, onions, ginger, garlic and green chilies. All 4 ingredients, grind it to a paste. I have already ground to a paste, or else you can use green chili sauce also. Now we will keep this aside and see what I am going to do. Now we will put the milk first. Either fresh milk, if you like you can use fresh milk, or you can use coconut milk also. Now what I am going to use is the green chili paste that I have already done. Now I need mustard cream. Now what we have to do is a little salt, a bit of turmeric, a little pepper. Mix it well. I off the cooker because I have to mix all these together. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take a little corn flour, about 1.5 teaspoon. Half of the 1/4 cup of milk I kept separately. We will put that into it. Now cook that till it gets slightly thickened like a sauce. This is the sauce that we have made. Once it is almost thickened, we are going to pour it over the fish. Over the fish, I will pour this. I'm going to serve with the salad. Now we will decorate this. To decorate this, I need gherkins and of course tomatoes. The other side I am going to do something else. Now the fish. I am doing a small decoration with the carrot for the eye and a peppercorn. Salad leaves and a bit of parsley in it. This baked fish with the salad and the green sauce that we have done, it's nice to serve with dinner buns, French bread, or whatever you like you can have. Even with rotis you can have it. So try it out and see how it comes, because this is something really nice. Next episode with another recipe. I will see you soon.